I'm Phil. This is my family, Chris, Abigail and Elijah. We are the Daniel family. And this is our home in Stanmore, which is in the heart of the inner west.
So we call this room the playroom because that's what it was when we first moved in 9 years ago when the kids were quite young.
It's just evolved into a place with a lot of different stations and functions. So we've got the computer, music, this really old settee. We've got space that we don't really utilize very well.
I think the lack of storage really frustrates me. We just tend to hide things here in this corner or just shove things into the coffee table.
I hope that the design will look a bit more modern.
Wow, when I first walked into the room. I just could not believe the transformation that had happened.
Yeah, I couldn't recognise the room at first, it just looked really good.
Incredibly amazed at how much IKEA have been able to pack into this tiny little living room. Plus, it has all the functionality that we need as a growing family.
This corner is probably my favourite part of the room, and it's like my own personal getaway space. It's just comfy. The workstations for the kids, I'm really pleased with how that's turned out.
How we can now have our own space, and I really like how they have really smart storage opportunities for us to put different things in.
There's a lot of hidden storage that's just not visible to the naked eye until you start looking around for it, so it's been done really beautifully. I was really amazed at how IKEA had just put in extra little things that just made the living room that much nicer.
Little things like the photographs from our travels around the world being framed, the kids' artworks also being put up around the room. That was very exciting to see.
There's something in here for each of us that's different and unique.
We now have that option of having friends and family coming over to stay the night. Just the night.